So hey guys, welcome to our channel Trifso. This is the second video of our Rishikesh series. In this video, we are taking you to the Beatles ashram, which is also known as the Chaurasi Kutia.
So let's go to the Beatles ashram. The walk towards the ashram is really interesting. We found these banana trees on the way and look at it. So beautiful. So we are about to enter the ashram and this looks little primitive and artistic as well. And this is the entrance of the ashram. And now we have entered the ashram.
So in order to enter the ashram, we had to buy tickets at the entry gate, and the tickets price are 150 rupees for Indian citizens, 75 for senior citizens and 40 for students. And the price for foreign nationals, I think, is 600 rupees.
During the 1960s and the 70s, it was known as the International Academy of Meditation. It was the training center for the students of Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. The site was abandoned in the 1990s and reverted to the local forestry department in 2003, after which it became a popular visiting place for fans of the Beatles. Beatles came here to study transcendental meditation, and that's why it is known as Beatles Ashram. It has 84 caves like this, that's why it is known as Chaurasi Kutia. So now it is under the government and is also known as Radhadri Tiger Reserve.
Maharishi Mahesh Yogi established this ashram in 1961, and this ashram gained popularity when the very famous rock band Beatles came to visit this ashram in 1968. So this entire place is made up of meditation caves, and the stones that were used in the meditation caves were used from the shore of the Ganga.
It was raining that time and the beauty of the ashram was on another level. So they divided one section of the ashram into small sections to grow some plants and it looks so nice. Look at these butterflies, beautiful butterflies we met on the way. And you can find a lot of sections in which you'll find beautiful small cute plants, flower plants, even tulsi, and which all together enhancing the beauty of this ashram. As we already know, it has 84 meditation chambers, that's why it is known as Chaurasi Kutia. So let's go inside this temple. "84 meditation chamber built from local river rock. Each chamber represents a different classic yoga asanas. Together they represent whole range of life.
Now let's go to the Ved Bhavan, which was used as a classroom center to teach various courses during that time. This entire place is so artistic. Look at the view. As you can see, the painting on the wall is of the very famous rock band, the Beatles band. These guys visited this place in 1968 and stayed there for almost 3 months under the guidance of Maharishi Mahesh Yogi ji and took meditation classes. We did some photography sessions there, as you can see Pooja and the Bachcha, and then we went ahead.
So this used to be the kitchen of that time, which was constructed in 1960s, in which they used to prepare vegetarian food for all the guests.
Now we are heading towards the museum in the ashram, where we can see the memories of the Beatles band during 1968 when they visited this ashram along with Maharishi Mahesh Yogi ji in the picture.
museum, they have a small canteen as well where you can get some water, coffee, tea, etc. Now this is time we are leaving the ashram and we try to cover everything, whatever we could. This is the map we get at the entrance where they show you everything about this ashram. You can read.
The next place is Goa Beach. I hope you liked the video and we tried to cover as much as we could. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, stay tuned and stay happy.